Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Duolingo with your account open and synced. First, tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. Once done, open the app menu or settings where the language list appears. This is where Duolingo lets you add courses. You're doing this to keep your progress safe while expanding learning paths, so make sure you're on the right account before proceeding. Now tap the option labeled Add a new course or Learn a new language to begin. You'll now pick the language you want and enroll. Use the search bar or scroll categories to locate it, then tap the language card to open details. At this stage, decide if you want a placement test. Taking it skips basics, while starting at level 1 gives a structured path. Once you pick, press Start or Set Up Course, and Duolingo will add it to your language list. This step ensures your home page shows both languages and that lessons appear in your practice queue. Finish by confirming the new language appears in your profile and practice queue. You can switch active language from the language list and reorder priorities for daily practice. This helps you focus. If lessons fail to show, force close the app and log back in to refresh sync. Clear cache on Android or reinstall if needed. Should the language still be missing, contact Duolingo support with your account email and screenshots. This helps them resolve account-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.